Let me teach you something really great in Gmail. If you have a Google form like this and you automate it, when somebody fills out your form, the email will go to this email address. So if I run this, you will see that I have a new email and the email is coming from myself to myself, but I can't do anything with this. What if I want to categorize all the notifications coming from my form? Well, that's very easy to do. Back in your form, all you need to do is add the type of event to the end of your email. So in this case, I want to add a plus and say consultation. Now when someone fills out my form, that new email is going to come to plusconsultation@gmail.com. And this opens up a whole new set of things that you can do. For instance, I can create a new label for this. I can call my label consultation. I can give my label a color. Then I can go ahead and create a new rule for this. All I need to do is to copy this email address, paste it here, and then click create filter. I want to ensure that I apply the label that I just created and then select create filter. Now when I go back to my form and submit it, when I get the new email, it now comes with a label called consultation and it's color coded so you can easily see it. You can also just come to the consultation label down here and you'll always see all my consultations. Let's also assume that I had an order form, so I'm collecting orders and I also do consultations. All I need to do for the notifications that are coming from my order form is just add order to my email address, copy that email address, create a new label called orders, give it a different color, then create a new filter for that email, ensure that I apply the new label to it, create the filter, and now when someone fills out my order form, my order will come in like this. And now you can clearly see in your inbox the distinction between your consultations and your order notifications. And you can also filter between each of them. So your business starts to look a whole lot better now that you have a system that will sort out your notifications that are coming from all the forms that you have on either your website or just on your social media platforms. And you'll be able to easily see and categorize everything that is coming in.